The clear water was swift and cold as Mr. Shipley's sixth-grade class stood on the gooey bank, hesitant yet eager. Amongst the ripples and beneath the surface, I could see shimmers of deep red thrashing about. I knew what we were looking at and felt the awe I fondly recall as childhood wonder and the presence of wild nature. We decided inside which team would be first to venture into the icy water in their hip waders to take the first samples for temperature and pH, and I was one of the lucky few. We carefully worked our way into the center of the stream where we'd been instructed would provide the most accurate samples. I shouted my measurements to the data recorder on shore. I didn't want to wade back to reality. My brief visit with these endangered creatures felt magical and special. I didn't want it to end. In class, we collected our data and took over writing on the board, filling in a table and calculating averages. Something about this work felt natural to me, and it just made sense. A corner of my mind and soul woke up that October morning. Months later, Cairo 7 came to do a segment about our salmon conservation program, and our whole class was ecstatic to be on TV. Somehow, the adults in charge chose me to represent our school and to talk about the significance of our project. I felt so important and took my role as scientific ambassador totally seriously. I still have that news clip on VHS and the plaque the school gave me as a memento. Looking back, it's clear this experience had a major impression on me, as I went on to get a degree in environmental biology. I remember being told our data were going to be used by the actual Department of Ecology in a real scientific study. My mind was totally blown that a kid like me could be a real scientist. I never looked back.